Let's bring in Wendy Patrick now. She's a legal and political analyst. Wendy, thank you so much for joining us. First off, we want to start for patients who are watching this, living in California, who may be seeing this decision come down and they're worried. What would you say to them? What does this mean for Californians?
Well, not much for Californians because remember, California is a state that has not criminalized abortion, has not put restrictions on abortion. So it really will be business as usual. In fact, if anything, you're probably going to see an influx of patients from other states that are nearby, that are close by, that are conservative states where you will have restrictions, if not outright bans on the practice, traveling to California to get an abortion here. So probably not much in our jurisdiction.
And when do we know that this ruling is not necessarily a shock because we had that leaked draft opinion back in May? Are there any key differences between that leak and what we have seen this morning?
I would say that one of the key differences is remember that Chief Justice Roberts actually wrote a concurring opinion because as he was forecasting, he did want to uphold the 15-week abortion ban in the original Dobbs case, but didn't want to go as far as to overturn Roe. Now that's important because there's been a lot of loud voices since this morning that are voicing concern as to what's next. Is it contraception? Is it same-sex marriage? Remember in the opinion itself, Justice Alito was very clear that this is an opinion about abortion, not about any other constitutional right. It's also an opinion that basically said abortion should not ever have been recognized as a constitutional right. So some of the loudest voices, probably on both sides, I would encourage to first read the opinion and understand what it says and what it doesn't say. It doesn't outlaw abortion in the United States. It says that it should be up to the individual states to decide whether in their own jurisdictions it should be limited, it should be there should be restrictions, or it should be simply permitted.